So the beauty of our Brompton is that I can fold it and unfold it and go inside places and travel with you, and it's so neat. But I don't know, the knob that we screw and unscrew, I don't know, I think should be better. So I decided to order a round knob. So I don't know if it's better, if it's worse. We're gonna try it together. I'm gonna put it on, and later we're going for a ride at Rio de Janeiro, at beautiful Rio de Janeiro. So let's open it, and with my beautiful scissors. Yeah, girl scissors. I would love to do only this, but it goes out. Maybe if there was another drawing for this here, it'd be better. So let's try this run one. I don't know how it will work. So if you did like it, wait at least like a couple months for me to try it, then you buy it. Because maybe it's not good. Maybe it breaks later on, or maybe I'll think it's fabulous. I don't know. Let's try it on. This is aluminum, and that's stained steel. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes, we are in my favorite spot. But today we're going for a long ride to test if this round notch works. So far, it's marvelous, but let's try it on. Look. Well, first 7 kilometers. And let's check it out. Working fine. No cracks. Well, let's see this one. Yep, looks fine. Kilometers, so far so good. So let's keep going. Sugarcane juice. It's marvelous. I love it. Okay, it's making a little squeaky noise, so squeaky noise gone. I should done it before. Forgot all about it. So it's good to put some oil in it. So let's go to a very nice part of the city. Love this view. That's Sugarloaf. Marvelous. This bike path is fantastic. Kilometers and still working. Here's a marvelous place. I love to have agua de coco, coconut water here, but it's so crowded today because they graduate from university. See, they come here to take pictures. It's nice, but it gets crowded. I like peace. No, ain't Central Park. This is Flamengo Park. And on Sunday it's closed all the roads, so we can ride in all the roads, and that's cool. I love it. It's cool because you have the beach, you have the court, the bike path, and you have two streets. It's a big thing. It's a road. It's like 4 lanes, so you can ride your bike, you can roller skate. It's not crowded yet because it's 9 o'clock, but around 10, oh, it's packed. So nice. We are at 26 kilometers and let's check it out. Yep. Well, there is still some squeaky noise, so when I get home I'll take it out and put some oil and look at it. But I'm loving it. It's so neat. There is some still very nice places to go. I like to come here and watch the turtles. Yes, very nice. But today the water is so dirty. It's still clear though. Where is this? That's Marina da Gloria. Yeah. Right next to all the boats. Is that cool? spot to eat my apple. It's close. They are rebuilding, refurbishing, remaking, fixing it. So it's a shame. I'd love to eat apple there. There's a very nice tree, and that's alright. Let's eat it over here in the Museum of Modern Art. So cool. Well, that's nice, isn't it? I hope it does last. I hope the structure, the materials are fine. So far so good. A squeaky nice, but when I get home I'm gonna put some oil and little things. And now it's time for, yes, a very nice apple and a protein bar. So this is like a okay. If you did like the video, thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. So wait, don't buy it yet. Wait for me to try it for you. If in like 3 months from now it's still working, okay, that would be a good deal, because it's much easier and I like it, really like it. Well, bye bye. Love an apple.